Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. I decided I wanted to make a juice. I know you guys can see my juicer here, and today I'm making a juice. And as you probably know already, if you're familiar with my channel, I love making juices. So today I'm going to make a juice for headaches. And no, I don't have a headache today, but of course sometimes we may get headaches, right? So, and usually when the body is experiencing headaches, it's usually from detoxification. For the most part, there's toxins in the body. You could be eating foods that are now starting to move the toxins around. I'll put the information in the description. And today the ingredients that I'm going to use some kale. I love kale, obviously. And I'm going to use some celery, and I'm also going to use some apples. I'm also going to use some lemon, and I'm going to use a clove of garlic, okay? And I'm going to use some ginger. And I will be sure to put the benefits for headaches in the description as well. Okay, so now I'm going to put the ingredients into the juicer. Whatever juicer you are using, make sure you follow your manufacturer's instructions, okay? I am going to take the softest ingredients first since I'm using the normal juicer. And I'm going to put some kale in here. And I'll put the whole lemon in. And I'll put the recipe in the description. And I put the piece of lemon in, and now I'm going to put the piece of ginger in as well. And since I have some more space, I'm going to put some more kale in. We are going to juice this first batch up. Okay, I'm going to add some more ingredients. I'm going to add more kale. An apple. And celery. Okay, see a lot of green juice going on. We have, I think this is one more go we can put in here. Okay, and so as you can see, there's a lot of green juice there. And I forgot about the garlic clove. And so for this last bit of juice that I'm putting in here to make, I am going to add the garlic clove. Okay, and that is it. And now we are going to pour the juice. Hope you can see that. I should have did it this way. Okay, and now I'm going to strain this. I can smell the garlic. This is about a good 30 ounces right here, so that's really good. Okay, and I have my lovely juice, my lovely 30 ounces of your nourishing green juice for a headache, okay? I wanted to use cucumber, but instead I just added more celery. So I will definitely leave that as a tip in the description. And again, we have celery, we have kale, We have ginger, we have apple, and we have lemon. I definitely smell garlic and ginger. So, okay, let's try it now. Yep. And that's what I first taste. The ginger and a little bit of the garlic. What definitely dominates the most is celery, because that's where most of the liquid comes from, and the apple. But you taste just about everything, but it's really good. You definitely do not have to be a super green lover to enjoy this. This was really, really good, really nourishing, and I would definitely recommend it. And as always, Divines, I want you to continue to be well, be blessed, be true to yourself. Peace, Divines. Yeah, this is really good. And be sure to check out my other videos as well. Peace, Divines.